So it all seems nice and quiet. 2:30 in the afternoon. The lifts, and our first point. Not seen one of those in a while. It's a proper key. So, for reference, we're in 501. And let's pop in. So first thing, got a big full-length mirror. Check ourselves on our way out. Little sort of, I don't know, arty light, but it's a light. And not sure what that is. Oh, it's just, couldn't see it in the light. Obviously a fuse panel or something. And we have, because we're in an apartment, Adagio apartment hotel, so we've a little kitchenette. Let's put some light on in here. Ah, very sweet, Mr. Jones. You know I like cake. I do like cake. Some tea. So, English breakfast. One's not enough. Well, we've kind of got quite a complete kitchen. I mean, if you were in Marseille for some time, or anywhere else where there is an Accor apartment hotel, I mean, it's home from home. We've got a little carafe, so we could go out and buy a bib. Bib is wine in a box, bag in a box. And yeah, so wine glasses, drinks, microwave. Have a look inside there. It's all nice and clean. I won't be using it. Hob. I'm not sure if that's induction. I don't think it is induction. I think it's just a straightforward electric hob. Kettle, sink, washing up. Shocking if that wasn't brand new, wouldn't it? Look in the cupboard. Okay, we've got a coffee percolator, tons of cutlery, and loads of pans. Right, what's in the fridge? Yeah, not a lot. They have given me a can of pop. That's nice of them. Yeah, this is all right. Well, it's very light and airy. Well, I haven't actually put any light on in here. Yeah, there's no need for it. I've got a clean bed. Let me just put that key down. TV remote control. Power point by the bed. Looks like television. Oh, chair. I mean, this is budget. I mean, this is Marseille. Everything was expensive in Marseille, and I thought, I've never tried an Adagio apartment. I thought now's the time to try one. This is supposed to be a budget trip. Light switch, another power socket. So that short power socket's there. And this, I wanted the station hotel. I think it's safe to say this is close to the station. I think I might just put a GoPro up and do a time lapse. If anyone's interested in a time lapse of Marseille train station with a big TGVs, double deckers, there we go, double decker over there. Yeah, it'll be on the screen now. Anyway, let's have a look in the wardrobe and then we'll pull the bed back. Very basic, but clean. There's no stuffy smell at all. It's fresh and just more hanging space. Yeah, I mean, if you were, I mean, I'm only here for 2 days, and this is a budget trip for me. Deliberately looking at budget hotels on this trip, and I can't fault this. I mean, you could get a fine tooth comb on it, but you know, it's a comfy mattress, clean sheets, as you would expect with Accor. Yeah, it's good. Excellent stuff. Well, as a process of elimination, we presume the bathroom is in here, and we are correct. There we go. So, okay, it's clean. It's not spotless. I noticed a couple of marks, but the grouting's all nice and clean. There we go. Looks a straightforward shower. Body wash, hair wash included. Nice clean sink. More of that. Me trying to breathe in, so I'm going on camera. Towel rail. Not sure what that is. Oh, it's locked, so it's not for me. The loo. nice clean one. Wonderful. There we go. There's the bathroom for you. And a little hidden feature that I barely noticed is on the lamp. There's a little USB port, which is happily charging up my power pack. Yeah, so you wouldn't notice that. I only noticed that this morning. So I thought I'd add it to the video, just in case you decide to come and stay here.